Adventure no Igo-magination presents today's episode, Anthonitecus and the Missing Jeans Truck. Now that I finished my bed, time to put my average everyday Huh? Alicia, sweetie, have you seen my pants? I put your clothes to washing. You also put my underwear into the wash? Well, your underpants are more dirtier than your pants. Saturday morning. No school, no homework, no chores. And the only tasks to do is to enjoy life. What more can a fox boy ask? So, Igor, wanna go on an adventure with your pups? Alright, an adventure with my dad. So, Mr. Dad, what is our next adventure today? So, Igor, did you see in the news that a jeans truck got missing? And who would steal a jeans truck? I don't know, champ. Only an Araguania that has the weird crimes. Oh, really, Dad? This will be age of a crazy adventure, champ. So, Lego, ready to go on your crazy adventure? Ready as I can be, Daddy. That's my boy. Anyway, adventure awaits. Yeah, adventure! Here's our first suspects, Patrick and a lion and his son. And what they like to do every day? Well, champ, they manage/live in a naturist resort. Champ, ready to investigate? Like good cop and bad cop? That's it, my son. Anyway, investigation time. Yeah, detectives! Hi, good afternoon. We want to know what happened to the jeans truck that disappeared this morning. Hold on, a missing jeans truck disappeared? That's right, a truck that is sporting jeans got missing. Daddy, I think that's really good, looks cute. So, any clues? While you guys investigate, why don't you guys visit our naturist club? We have a diving board. Excuse me, LA Lion. We're kinda in a hurry to solve this case. Alrighty then, my buds. Now feast your eyes on this! In our ancestor garden, buildings are a prison, and so work. Also, it's our home. And that's a very cool naturalist club. Cool, isn't it? It is also our home, because we don't have any other place to go. And we feel so alone in the universe, right? Well, it's a very cool place, but we're kinda in a hurry. Let's go, champ! Igor, see you later, my dearie. Okay, see you later, Badge. Igor, wait! Patience is a virtue, bud. Well, son, Patrick and the lion and his son are innocent. Where are you going now, Daddy? Well, son, our next parade is to go to the Amazon Avenue. Ready to go for another walk, champ? Ready as I can be, Daddy. That's my boy. Anyway, adventure awaits. Yeah, adventure! Daddy, are you sure the jeans truck will appear in the street? I'm pretty sure that's the right place, champ. Trust me. Igor, quer dar uma pausa para comer uma pizza? Sim, papai. Eu tô ficando muito cagado de fome. Oh my gosh, it's the missing jeans truck. Champ, Are you ready to kick some bandits' butts? Daddy, yes, I can be, Daddy. That's my boy. So hold tight because adventure awaits. Yeah, adventure! 3, 2, 1, go! Daddy, I don't know where the bandits went. Look, Jim, that must be an abandoned warehouse. And look, some pants have fallen down on the truck. Let's put them on already. Oh, that's where the jeans truck went. We found some bandits, Daddy? I don't know, Jim. But we gonna investigate and kick some butts. We are already out of butts. Yeah, Daddy? Yes, totally right, son. Oh my gosh, it's the bandit! Hi-ya! We finally got the bandits, champ! And the jeans pants will be back on stock? Yeah, and the jeans were saved thanks to the animator pals of Araguania. And what about the bandit, champ? Let the police solve this case! None of our problems. That's okay, the Lion Patch, we got some good news. The jeans truck was rescued and your name got removed from the main suspects list. That's some to our ears. We're not criminals anymore. Everything ended well, right? Yep, that's a Igor, you helped us a lot. Also, there's one more thing. What do you guys wanna do with us next? If I stay with my astrologer, it's alright. A genius royal family is inviting you guys for a royal forgiveness. Oh wow, the royal family! Thank you, Animator Bells, for saving the jeans truck from those jeans bandits. What can I say except you're welcome, Your Majesty? And a very huge thanks for Patch and his dad. What can I say except you're welcome, Your Majesty? Your dad is maybe not a prince, but he's a my treasure. What are your next requests for I, Agilio, the Royal Minute Wolf? So Agilio, can you give me a new video game console? I'll give you a video game for my favorite nephew. Daddy, that was a crazy adventure! What did you expect, champ? Besides, was one of our crazy adventures together. Champ, wanna know what's on TV recently? Well, Dad, we sang in a G-strap, so it's probably we're gonna appear on the TV. Guys, I finished washing your clothes. Oh, thanks, Mom! Well, don't worry, because I'm making dinner. Oh, wow, Dad! At least Mom washed our clothes! Yeah, you're right, champ. And I thought my jeans were also stolen. Oh, yeah, Dad? If I ask it, then yes. We interrupt your daily program for this breaking news. The jeans truck that got missing this morning is now recovered, and all clothing stores are now back on selling all those jeans that went missing. And that's all for today's news. Thanks for watching and good night. Oh wow, I can't believe we're heroes on TV! What did I say, champ? We're the best adventurers of all of Aventuras. So, Igor, what did you think about Patch when you first met? Well, Dad, I only think about Patch as a great friend and nothing more. And some meatloaf leftovers on the table. Oh, wow, thanks, Mom! So hurry up because they're freezing. Daddy, what will be our next adventure? Well, champ, only Arcanus can tell. I can't wait to hang out with Patch tomorrow. Yeah, me too, champ. Me too. Felipe met a new friend called Patch, but are they more than just friends? Find out in the next episode of Adventure no Igo-magination.